Cut the cilantro into bite-sized lengths. Place a microwave-safe bowl with a paper towel, wrap the tofu, and microwave it. In a separate bowl, mix mirin, soy sauce, grated ginger, dobenjang, and salted rice malt. Heat sesame oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the tofu and stir-fry while crumbling until the moisture evaporates. Add the prepared sauce and cook until the liquid reduces by about half. In a ramen bowl, pour in hot water and let sit for 3 minutes. Add the included seasonings and mix it well. Top with the tofu mixture and finish with cilantro on top.